Yo guys, I just got into this trade on AUDJPY and let me briefly explain the confluence I saw before executing this trade. Like I said, I trade a pullback continuation. I call it the 88 precision. You understand? So basically what I do is, or what I look for in the chart, I wait for price to break across. If I'm trying to catch a bullish movement, I wait for price to break across a resistance and come back to retest it as support. Then I'll look for a continuation entry to the upside, to the next level. Same thing as trying to catch a bearish movement. I'll wait for price to break below a support level, come back to retest it as resistance. Then I'll look for a continuation entry to the downside. So that's just the concept of the strategy, just basic concept. So as you can see in this point here, on this trade, on this setup, on the H4, I can see price was basically having there was a big resistance here on the H4 time frame. Price was struggling to break this level. Then it finally broke across it. So after breaking across this level, when it's coming back for retracement, that is the pullback, it will definitely come back to this point here. So I just marked out the level, mark it out, and lower came to a lower time frame like the H1, and I saw multiple rejections, price rejecting this level. And after it hit this level finally, like hit the level. So now I saw that the 50 EMA aligned here also, 30 minutes, and that's all. I think for the higher time frame, that is the H1 and the H4, everything was aligned here. So on the 30 minutes, I waited for the price, sorry, for my entry, I waited for price to cross the 50 EMA and close across it on the 15 minutes and 30-minute time frame. So as you can see on the 30-minute time frame, price close across the 50 EMA and same thing on the 15-minute time frame. So I just waited for the both of them to align before executing this trade. So I think that was all. Then okay, here's my Fibonacci. I drew my Fibonacci from swing low, sorry, from the swing low, that's point A to the swing high, point B, from swing low to swing high. As you can see, price aligned at the 61.80 pullback level. So it's basically a nice point for entry on the Fibonacci tool. So my stop loss, sorry, so my stop loss was behind my take profit at the 61.80 extension. So as you can see on the H4, I drew a level from this, I think this high at 11th of March. So I'm expecting price to go to that high. I'm expecting price to go to that high, yes. So and it's aligned with the Fibonacci extension minus 61.80. So my stop loss was set at the recent low. I see that is this low over here below this point. So if price takes out my stop loss, that means the whole trade is basically invalidated. You understand? So I think that's all for this setup. That's just my confidence, pullback continuation, the 88 precision. So I'll update you guys on the next. Okay, let's see how the market unfolds. You guys, the current update on this trade, AUDJPY. I think price has gotten to the has gotten to the minus 27 fib extension. So I'm moving my stop loss to break even. I'll hold the trade to this point, the minus is 1.80. So let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it unfolds. So price finally hit the take profit. Done with this setup, I'll be done with this trade. Then I think looking forward to the next. Made 700 plus on this trade, 750 plus. Right then, let's see how the market unfolds. Done with this.